All right, this video is how to use the end screen function in the detail page of a specific video. So let's go ahead and choose a video here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this one right here. This one is how to use the new audio library in YouTube. It's about 5 minutes long. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this. I'm going to click on the detail page. That's that little icon of a pen. So that kind of indicates that's where you can edit it. So we're going to click that. It's going to open up this detail page. It says video details, and this is that specific video. And if you look over to the right, you're going to see a box that has end screen, and it shows a little template with like a video in it, and then it's got that little edit pen there. So what you're going to do is you're going to click that, and what's going to happen, it's going to open up a page. So here we are on this page. And in this page, you can do a lot of different things. What they do, first of all, is they make it easy for you. So they give you a couple of different templates. And as you notice, as I put my cursor over it, it kind of highlights it in blue. So what this is doing right now is it's showing that if I click on this, I'm going to be able to put one video and a subscribe button. If I go over here, I can do the same thing. For some reason, you know, this one here is already set up to do import the latest video. But here you can actually edit the video, and the subscribe button is just going to be your icon. If we slide down, this is 2 videos that you could put in. If you do it this way, you just moved your subscribe button to the opposite side, and they have the video here. Here you get the 2 videos up, and here you get the 2 videos down, and you get the subscribe button in the middle. Now, so if you click on one of those, let me just go ahead and do this. If I click here, let's click on this one. What happens is it opens up this page here, and then you can do a couple different things. You already have your subscribe button in there. It's already there. Now, if you wanted to, you could actually move it around like that. This one here, it says best for viewer, but you don't have to put best for viewer. You can click on it, and you can change it. You can put the most recent one, or you could do best for viewer, or you could choose one. And when I do that, it brings me to this page where I can choose a specific video. And I could do any video in here. Let's say I pick this one, how to find your video manager, and I click that. So when we go back, there it is, how to find your video manager in YouTube. So that's the video that I've chosen, and it's in there. Now, if you don't like that, you could just go ahead and hit discard changes, and it will discard all those changes. So let's do that. Now let's go back in, and let's just put a subscribe button on. So let's go to subscribe, and bam, there it is. And let's just move it over here. Well, let's put it right here. Let's put it in the center. So now we just put our subscribe button on. It says at least one element must be a video or playlist. So they're not allowing us to just put the subscribe button on. So we have to put a video on. So let's go ahead and let's do a video. And let's put it right here. And then let's go ahead and choose, I don't know, let's do this one. All right, so we've got copyright music, sound effects. We got our thing on there. It's looking pretty good. Now, I think we can move it. Oh, apparently you can't do that. You may have to do that beforehand. Here you can add another video if you want. It lets you add another element. Let's check it out. Look at that. Most recent? No, we don't want most recent. But it's not letting us do it because what? It's running on top of that, so we'd have to pull it down. Now we can do it. So I click on it, and I could go choose a video. So I'm just going to choose how to get back to your home page. All right, so now I've got 2 videos on there, and I got my subscribe button. And if I like that, all I have to do is hit save. So let's go ahead and let's save it. I don't know if I like the way I did that. Let's put this one here. Let's put this one here. How's that? That don't look too bad. All right, now let's go ahead and hit save. When we hit save, what's going to happen is it's going to save it at the end of the video. And it's going to start at 4:42 and end at 5:01. So it's going to be in there for almost 20 seconds. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, now if we want to watch it, we come over here and we can click on this little play button. It's going to open up another whole window where the video will play. And let's get rid of this ad. And then let's pull this all the way down to the end. Let's see where we're at. Now let's unmute it and make sure we didn't cover anything up that we needed. Do that, because bam, here you go. You got all this free music. So use it, because it's much it's much better than having to do these copyright claims all that. All right, so that's cool. I'm not really running over anything on that. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Hang on just a second. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. How's that? All right, peace out.